What's the meaning of aphid? Aphid. Aphid. Aphid.
Aphid. Aphid. An aphid is a tiny, soft-bodied insect that feeds on the sap of plants. They are often found in large colonies, and can cause significant damage to crops and other plants. Aphids come in many different colors, including green, yellow, and black. They reproduce quickly, with new generations being born live rather than hatching from eggs. Many species of aphid are known to excrete a sticky, sweet substance called honeydew, which can attract other insects like ants. Overall, aphids are a common garden pest that can be difficult to control without pesticides or other interventions.